Hello students, this is the third video which is related to the major causes of industrial accidents. Now here you can see the image which is related to the poor maintenance of the equipment. Here we can see the image captures another critical safety issue, which is stemming from poor maintenance of industrial piping systems, likely which is taking place in case of a steam or process plant. Now here you can see what actually the image is depicting. Here you can see there is a damaged or leaking pipe joint which is releasing the steam or the gas under pressure, and you can see here the pipeline surface is totally corroded and rusted with multiple signs of age and wear, and the surrounding infrastructure is also appearing to be neglected with rust and support structures, and you can see the flanges also are being neglected. Here the escaping steam suggests either there is a case of where the steam is escaping. You can see the steam around here, which is suggesting either a gasket failure or loose flange connection or corroded weld joint. The hazards and risks from this poor maintenance of the equipment, the first hazard and risk will be the burn risk from steam. The steam leaks, which is leaking from the pipes, it can cause severe thermal burns to the nearby workers who are working near this piping system. There might be a possibility of explosion or explosion risks. If there is a leakage under pressure, it can escalate if not contained very quickly. Then there might be a possibility of inefficiency and energy loss. Leaking steam reduces the operational efficiency, and it also increases the fuel cost. Then the total structure also gets weakened up. Continuous exposure to steam or corrosive fluids, it accelerates the deterioration of the structure. Then environmental and legal risks in regulated industries, such leaks would result to penalties as well as shutdown of the industry. The root causes might be there might be a lack of routine pressure and leak testing, and there is a failure to inspect and replace the gaskets and seals wherever required, and there here they have ignored the signs of corrosion, and they have delayed repair or any kind of replacement of the parts. And recommendations will be better to conduct immediately the leak isolation and repair it, and it's better to implement steam trap testing and joint inspection protocols, and apply protective coatings, and try to install insulation jackets wherever required, and train the personals in persons who are working or who are working around this industrial piping system. We have to train those persons so that they can easily detect the leaks in the early stage, and finally, if there is a possibility, we can use this ultrasonic leak detection tools for proactive maintenance. Thank you.